Do you want to know how to sign into your Xbox One console using your controller? Then stay put and I'll show you how to link your controller to your account in under a minute. First, we'll have to open the settings and then go down to devices and connections, then open accessories. Now select the three dots. And if you don't know which controller is yours, then you can identify it by selecting vibrate this controller, and it will vibrate the controller that you're holding. Do it until you find your controller and then select this controller signs in, enter your PIN if you have it enabled, and it will take you to the sign in security and PIN. Here, tap on it again, select link controller. It will vibrate again, which means we are done. But note that sign-in security preferences should be set to no barrier and instant sign-in should be disabled or assigned to you, or else this will not work. After you have followed all the instructions, you are all set. From now on, whenever you turn on your Xbox console using your controller, it will instantly log you in. Don't forget to leave a like and support our work by subscribing to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.